Welcome to the Talmadge Butler Boardwalk Trail at DeSoto State Park. Join us on a scenic hike starting along the boardwalk, then venturing onto the Blue Trail to discover the stunning Lost Falls. From there, we'll loop back via the Orange Trail to visit the beautiful Laurel Falls. Finally, we'll connect to the Red Trail, rejoin the Blue Trail, and return to the boardwalk. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Let's hit the trail. At the end of the Talmadge Butler Boardwalk Trail, you'll reach these steps. Be sure to secure your map and don't do like I do. Stick it in your back pocket halfway and the map falls out of my pocket. Oops, there it goes. We make it to the top, but now I'm stumped. Left or right? Wait, where's the map? Guess it's back down the steps we go to find it. When you get to the top and secure your map, you go right on the Blue Trail. Along the trail, you'll be surrounded by breathtaking sights, lush greenery, vibrant wildflowers, and serene vistas that invite you to pause and soak it all in. It's the perfect escape, so peaceful and relaxing. Here we are at the top of the stunning Lost Falls. Cross to the other side and you'll step onto the Orange Trail. Take a moment to slip off your backpack, sit down, and let the soothing sound of the cascading waterfall wash over you. It's pure relaxation. Now we're heading back along the Orange Trail toward the breathtaking Laurel Falls. Take your time and walk slowly. Don't miss the beautiful wildflowers, towering trees, and serene beauty this trail has to offer. Well, here we are. We finally arrived at the top of the gorgeous Laurel Falls. It's just so peaceful up here, with the water cascading down below. Take a second to really soak in the beauty all around you. Well folks, we've just hopped onto the Red Trail, making our way back to the Boardwalk Trail and then to the parking lot. We hope you've loved this hiking adventure as much as we did. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like, hit that follow button for more hiking videos, and thanks so much for watching. If you're in the area, swing by Southern Harvest Restaurant, just 6 miles from DeSoto State Park. You'll enjoy a fantastic home-cooked meal bursting with flavor. Trust me, you won't regret it.